Hi, I'm Brown Bear.
Hi, I'm Madeline.
And welcome to our channel, Silly Brown Bear. Yeah!
Silly brown bear, silly brown bear. What are you doing? What are you doing? Silly brown bear, silly brown bear. Yeah!
Episode 2, Explosive Hiccups. Hey, Maddie.
Hi, Brown Bear.
How you doing today?
Good.
That's good. I'm doing good too.
Make sure to come here, Bob.
Okay.
What was that? Now where is he gonna appear? Where? I don't know.
Hi, I'm Brown Bear.
Where? How'd you get on my head? Are you okay?
Oh, I'm back. That was crazy. Maddie, I have these, hiccups, explosions. I don't know how to control them. They just appear out of nowhere.
He should really calm down. But also, where'd he go? Okay, enough of those explosions. I'm gonna read a book. It's called Izzy the Ice Cream Fairy. Once upon a time in a sunny, sandy land.
Hi, I'm Brown Bear.
We know you're Brown Bear. But where'd you go?
I don't know. This is crazy. I can't explain where.
Just
I don't know.
relax. Where'd you go?
Every 2 seconds, I
Where'd
don't know.
you go? Here we go again. Oh, hi, Daddy.
Hey, Maddie. What's all the ruckus in here?
Larry keeps exploding.
Exploding?
Yeah.
What? Oh no. More explosive hiccups. Ah! Oh no!
While we're here, drink some water. It will help with your explosive hiccups.
Okay.
Did it work?
It did, thank you.
Silly